Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video, I'll give you 4 reasons why the brand new Vivo S1 Pro is a perfect all-rounder of a phone coming at a price of only 1,199 ringgit, so keep watching. Now the first reason would be the high quality camera lenses. Now the Vivo S1 Pro's main lens is a massive 48 megapixel camera with an aperture value of f1.8. Now while other smartphone brands throw a huge number providing a high megapixel count, but it does not provide the results. But when it comes to the images coming out from this phone, it was on par with some of the mirrorless high-end cameras they have tested, as you guys can see, with lots of details on the images even when it's zoomed in closely. And speaking of the rear camera, I have to say that I love the brand new diamond design right at the back as well, and this is why I salute the guys from Vivo for also coming up with a brand new design for different releases for their smartphones compared to other smartphone brands who tend to stick to the same exact design for many years. iPhone. Now as for the second reason would also relate to its camera, but this time is the front-facing 32 megapixel f2.0 aperture camera. Now again, for its price, the front camera not only takes amazing selfies, but a super huge advantage of this phone compared to other phones within this price range is the front video taking capabilities as well. So yes, this phone is perfect if you guys love to do Instagram stories or even vlog as well. Now the next reason would be the phone screen. Now the Vivo S1 Pro comes with a 6.38-inch Super AMOLED display where watching videos on YouTube and also Netflix was great, and I have to say that the color accuracy when watching videos were really close to real life, and if you're one of those people who love flat smartphone screens instead of curved, you will surely love this phone. And last but not least is the phone specs. Now for a price of only 1,199 ringgit, you will get a phone which comes with a Snapdragon 665 chipset with the Adreno 610 GPU with also a huge 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage as well. So yes, this proves that this is surely an all-rounder smartphone which comes with an amazing price as well. Now if you guys are interested in getting the phone, I will leave links and all the information down at the description below, and do let me know if you guys have any questions in relation to the phone, and I'll answer your questions at the comment section below. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.